Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Starting with the base and casters, begin by flipping the base upside down. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. Flip the base to the upright position. Next, you'll be working with the gas lift and cover. Firmly insert the gas lift into the base, then place the cover over the gas lift. Using the included M822 mechanism screws with a Phillips screwdriver, firmly tighten each screw in an alternating cross fashion. Secure the backrest onto the seat cushion with L-bar screws. Next, we will attach the armrest. Start by connecting one armrest to your backrest. Do not fully tighten the screws at this point. Then, connect the armrest to the seat cushion. Flip the chair over and repeat the process to attach the second arm. Firmly place your seat onto the gas lift. Now, firmly tighten all your screws gradually in an alternating pattern. Firmly press the arm caps into the screw holes. Your final step of assembly is to sit on your new chair to firmly engage the mechanism onto the gas lift. You're now ready to enjoy your new office chair.